Let's talk about the differences in heart blocks. This is going to be a 4-part little mini series because we're going to start off by talking about a first degree AV block and move all the way through all the heart blocks until we get to a third degree. So in talking about AV blocks, I want to mention a couple things first. So first of all, when we're talking about AV blocks, we're not referring to a physical blockage within an artery that causes, say, a myocardial infarction. We're referring to something that causes a blockage in electrical activity. Secondly, when we're talking about first degree AV blocks in particular, a first degree AV block is not a rhythm in and of itself. You will have a rhythm, for example, sinus rhythm with a first degree AV block. So as always, we're going to start off by going through our step-by-step process for analyzing the ECG. But for sake of time, we're going to skip to measurement of the PR interval when we're referring to first degree AV blocks. So measuring that PR interval, if you have a PR interval that is greater than 0.20 seconds, this constitutes a first degree AV block. So a little memory trick, if the R is far from the P, we have a first degree. Hope this helps. Make sure you're following for the next video that's going to cover a second degree type 1 rhythm. Go Vols.